How to fix Google Earth not working and having a black screen. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Google Earth not working and having a black screen. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'll need to do is check your internet connection. Make sure that you have a strong and stable internet connection, as a weak internet connection can lead to the black screen and Google Earth not working properly. So you can either just change your Wi-Fi entirely or just make sure that you have a stronger connection. After doing that, the second thing that you can do to solve the issue is just remove Google Earth from your background. So remove Google Earth from your background and try to open it up again, and that should fix the issue as well. If that does not work, head over to the settings and head over to your general. There you'll find iPhone storage. Tap on iPhone storage and search for Google Earth. So let me just search for Google Earth and just offload the app. Offload the app and reinstall the app. Doing that will clear up Google Earth's cache memory, and after doing that you can open up Google Earth and check if it works correctly. So let me just head over to Explore Earth, and there we go. So that's how you fix the issue, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.